known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know? Rolling like this, nobody. Can't go slow. I gotta hit that body. I'm the top for the top. I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot and you not. That's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, hard road. Gotta go home. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce.
Welcome to the MKit channel.
As you can see, I've already 3D printed the flashlight body. The enclosure has been fully optimized to be both durable and precise, ensuring that all the electronic components fit perfectly into place. I've included the download link for the 3D files of this project in the description, so you can easily print it yourself. To keep this UV flashlight from overheating or damaging the LEDs during long-term use, choosing the right heatsink size is extremely important. As you can see, I've carefully mounted the UV LEDs onto this heatsink to achieve the best possible heat dissipation. What do you think about this layout? Now comes the fun part, the assembly. First, we carefully put the electronic components together and install them inside the housing. This design is made so that everything fits securely using press fit and screw mounts, without the need for glue or any special tools.
Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, bent face flamed by the light. I'm going away, I'm gone away, I'm gone away. Once in a while I dream. Once in a while I think of you. I reminisce on
You can also use a lens here if you want, but I chose not to use one in this build.
and I were new. Once in a while I dream, hoping that you'd return to me, but I know that you're not coming back, so once in a while I dream. Each moment passes like hours. Each day is dark as the night. Since we have ended, I just pretend I have a reason to live. It's sad how the seasons change. Sad how the feelings go away. We were in love, but now it's over. So once in a while I dream.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more awesome projects like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. And let me know what you think in the comments. You can also use a lens here if you want, but I chose not to use one in this build.
So sad how the seasons change. Sad how
This is the critical moment.
feelings go
Now it's time for the final test and to power up the UV LEDs on the PCB. The adhesive I used to mount the components is fully heat resistant, and it holds everything firmly in place. Let's see how the light turns out.
Pardon my plea, but would you allow if once in a while I dream?
The light is absolutely amazing, and it can be really useful for all kinds of projects. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget, you can find the link to the 3D printable files in the description. Until the next video, take care.
Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping, yeah, I'm